This tutorial will cover the process of creating new shapes by combining two or more basic shapes. The process is called Boolean operations and lets you add, intersect, and subtract one shape from another to create a new single shape. Let's guide you through some basic operations while creating an abstract illustration. You can download the accompanying file to play with already created shapes, as well as practice creating your own new shapes. First, we draw a rectangle with the Rectangle tool, and above it, draw a triangle using the Polygon tool with sides count set to 3. Then select these two shapes, and in the toolbar, choose Exclude operation. This will remove the overlapping part and create a single shape. As you can see, a new object is created. Despite the newly created shape, it behaves as a single object. You can still edit it by moving the triangle or the rectangle. For this, select the entire shape, hold the Command key, and drag either the rectangle or the triangle to see the shape changes on the fly. Since you can still modify the resulting shape after applying Boolean operations, they are called non-destructive operations. To prevent further shape changes, you can either use the Expand button on the toolbar or apply any of the Boolean operations while holding the Option key. Another trick is useful when you need to create a semicircle. We will start by drawing a circle using the Ellipse tool and Shift key. Then add a rectangle above in the way that it covers half of the circle. Select the two shapes and apply the Subtract operation from the toolbar. This will cut out the overlapping part from the lower object. The same technique can be used for quarter circle, and so on. Now, if we create two equal overlapping circles and apply the Intersect operation on them, we will end up with a drop-like shape. The Intersect operation leaves only overlapping parts from two objects. To create a propeller stick, let's start with drawing a rectangle, a slightly elongated one. Then, holding the Option and Shift keys, we can rotate the rectangle 45 degrees and release the mouse. Repeat this until you have 4 rectangles that form a star. Now you can extend one of the rectangle's hand to make it look like a stick. Finally, select all 4 rectangles and apply the Union operation on them. Union is the most straightforward operation, which unites objects into a single one. To complete the abstract art, we will need to add several lines with thickness of 10 point. One last thing to mention, not really related with Boolean operations, is Fill mode. Let's create an object that intersects itself. I will use the Pen tool for this. To avoid intersections becoming cut out, use Non-Zero Winding Fill rule as a fill mode under the Modify menu. This is it for now. Stay tuned for more tutorials to come.